Hi, so this is a quick video demonstrating how I've stepped up the output voltage of two 5-volt infrared sensors so that I can use it on my PLC. The PLC needs to see a voltage of greater than 8 volts to see a high signal and lower than 5 volts to see a low signal, and these infrared sensors only give an output of 5 volts, so I need to step that up. I'm using a transistor as a switch to do this, so the output of the infrared sensors actually turns the transistor on, and on each transistor, which I'm using a 2N222 transistor, and on the base and the collector I'm using a 1K resistor. I've got a simulation running, and as you can see, the output currently with both sensors off is actually 8.92 volts. This is because the transistor inverts the signal. This won't be a problem for me because I can deal with this in the PLC code, so rather than using a high signal I can use a low signal and vice versa. So if I activate this sensor and move it about, you can see the output drops to 9.83 millivolts, which would be a low signal on the PLC, and then if I stop activating it, it jumps back up to 8.92 volts, which would be a high signal on the PLC. So if I do the right hand sensor and the upper multimeter, so I'll activate it again, you'll see that the voltage drops down to 9.83 millivolts, and then when I let it go, it goes back up to 8.92 volts. Obviously the two sensors still need a 5-volt supply, so I'm using a 5-volt regulator for this, and obviously connecting to ground through a 0.1 microfarad capacitor on the output and a 0.33 capacitor on the input. I hope that explains how this little circuit works and how I'm using the sensors and stepping up the output signal. Thanks for watching.